What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my microphone sound like this. This is what it looks like, and it uses AI to remove background noise such as fans, keyboard noises, mouse clicks, and it does an amazing job of it. But basically, what you want to do to install it, and this is how to install it on a GTX graphics card, because normally you shouldn't be able to get it on a GTX graphics card because it's meant for RTX cards only. But this is how you get it for GTX card. What you want to do is look up RTX Voice, download. Then you want to find it should be the first one, and make sure it's nvidia.com. Then it will take you to this website, and it'll tell you a bunch about it, and you can read through it if you want. But basically, what you want to do is go down to this little green text that says download the app, and you want to click it. Then you want to save it to your downloads folder and click the save button, and wait for it to save down here. Okay, now that it's done downloading, you want to go down into your downloads folder, then double click the install file. And it may take a minute for it to open. Okay, then when you get this message that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to the device? You want to click yes. It's like almost every program you download anyway. Okay, then when it gets loads up, you should get a message that says NVIDIA installer could not continue. NVIDIA RTX voice application is not supported on your existing GPU, and RTX enabled GPU is needed for all the application to run, or for this application to run. You just needed to, I guess, initialize it or run it once. Then you just want to click close. Then you want to open up your file explorer. Then go to go to your local disk where your stuff is normally installed to. Double click on the temp folder, go into RTX Voice, then it'll be in this top folder right here where it says NVAFX. You want to double click it, then open the folder that says RTX Voice NVI. It shouldn't say, or you should be able to open it with any thing or any Notepad Explorer. It won't be defaulted to a Notepad Explorer unless you've worked with NVI files before. But once you open it with any Notepad program, you just want to delete this part that says constraints. This part basically tells your computer that it can't run unless it's on an RTX computer. Then it will say the file cannot be saved and it may be protected. Do you want to launch as an administrator? So yes, your program might not ask you that. So just make sure you open the program as an administrator. Then once you save that file, you want to go back to this file and open up this setup file right here. Don't go back to the downloads folder installer because that one will not work. You want to open it from your tip folder. Then now it should say you can install it now. And you just want to read this, then click accept and continue, and it'll prepare to install and all that. I'm not going to install it because I already have it installed. So I'm just going to close out of the installer. And once you're done installing it, you can delete that folder. And you will get it as it'll ask you if you want to have an application, or should ask you if you want it to pin to your desktop. If not, all you want to do is go to here and look up RTX, and it should open up like this. And you can click it and it'll open your folder or program. And then it'll ask you for an input device. It'll be set to default device. I recommend just click setting it to your actual microphone. For me, it's mic test. Then to set it to start it, you want to click the check mark here and make sure the noise suppression is all the way up. And right here, this one I don't really recommend because it can remove things from like video games or etc. So I don't recommend you using the output remove incoming audio. The only reason I say this is because if you're playing a video game, it has a potential to remove steps and things like that. But if there's like an annoying guy with a microphone, I guess you could use it. But that's really up to you. But I just input device. Then what you want to do is go down to this little microphone down here and click open settings. Then change your input device to microphone NVIDIA RTX Voice. And if that doesn't show up, you can click this part that says sound control panel, and it will open up this menu right here. Then you want to go down to recording. Then you want to right click and click show disabled device, or show disabled devices, which should open up everything that's disabled if it's not already disabled. Then you can click on this, then set as default communication device and set as the default device entirely. Click OK and close this out, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope the video wasn't too long. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.